Hopefully you guys can hear me while I drive. Pretty funny that I'm doing this. Put a GoPro to my forehead. Hopefully no cop sees me. Car's got to warm up a bit. I don't have a lot of gas, so not going to be driving around too much. Sixth gear, whoop whoop. Don't really need to be in it, but just want to flex a little. Place is awesome. I go fishing there sometimes. I got a nice little pond. Also, my gauge is off, as you can tell, by about 10 kilometers. The windows are super tinted, so I don't know how well that's gonna look. Also, the sun's basically gone down, so pretty much losing daylight. And it's cloudy now, so great. It was nice and sunny a bit earlier while I was eating dinner. Hopefully you guys can hear that a bit. I'm not trying to fly down here. Still gotta warm up. Still pretty cold. Oil's not even warmed up yet. Literally just turned the bad boy on. Countryside cruise. Woo woo. Everything rattles in here. This rattles on this. The tune or the cluster rattles. Race car. What do you expect? Gear pull. Like I said, still got to warm up a bit. Honestly, with the gas, I don't think I'm going to get it to be warm. A little worried about that, and gas is just ridiculously expensive, so I just want to do a test video, test out the new GoPro, see how well it looks, see if it's okay with the tint, because that's gonna be a big deal. Also, it's not very sunny out, so hopefully that won't be an issue. Wow, that was bumpy. Also, it's like 5 degrees out and my tires are basically bald, so I'm just gonna spin like first, second, and third instantly. So you guys aren't really missing out on much. Ooh, a lot of crap on the ground here. I really hope you guys are able to hear this, hear the blow off, hear the boost, everything. Changed the settings, so I'm hoping that the settings that I changed are good. Yeah, second just spun out like crazy. Also, my screamer pipe rattles off in one of my brake lines, so when you hear a it's that. It's annoying. I fixed it, but it's V-band, so no matter what you do, no matter how tight you go, the heat and everything, it just still drops that little bit and just slightly taps on the brake line, so it's a bit annoying. Yeah, these are always some good roads to drive along. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy these roads. I'll take you through my main route one day. When it's the next nice warm day, I'll go through the whole thing and just do a raw footage of that. Also, I don't even know if you guys can even hear me, so I don't even know why I'm bothering to talk. That's why you don't fucking fly down these roads in a lowered ass car. Oh. Woo. I can just feel the mount slipping down, so hopefully the angles are all good. It's a good thing about the GoPro Hero 8 is you can see on your phone what it's looking at, but I have it turned off right now because I don't want to use up too much of the battery. It seems like I'm gonna have to get a new battery for this thing. It seems like it's draining a little fast, but I've only used it once, so, and it was never fully charged, so I don't really know exactly how well it's running. But just to be on the safe side and not lose any footage. So yeah, I bought this mount, and then I bought a larger SD card so that I can get, it shows about 2 hours and something minutes of footage, so that'll be pretty cool. Just now battery life, so I might get a couple batteries just as a spare. I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. Oh, Jesus, how? Oh my God, that was brutal. There was nothing even there. I'm gonna have to go back to that footage. Oh man. Woohoo! I hope you heard that backfire. That was nice. It was a 4th gear pull. Yeah, so moral of the story, this thing's getting raised. That rear support bar that I made, or that I installed, and all the welded tabs that I put on basically got destroyed in one go within a week of driving it, basically. Like within the week of this thing, yeah, of it being installed, just fucking almost got taken off. Surprised it's still on there, honestly, but yeah, so that's gonna have to get replaced. I might be able to just smash the tabs back in. My weld's held up, which I'm quite surprised, and I'm not the best welder. I seriously got to go back to that footage and see what I hit, because that is weird. Hopefully I didn't fucking break anything. We got oil pressure, we got coolant's not spiking like crazy, everything seems good.